amazing scientists! Welcome to our exciting adventure in the world of science. Today we're going to explore the difference between chemical changes and physical changes. We'll do some fun and colorful experiments. Are you ready? Let's create a beautiful picture using colored paper. What do you notice? That's right. It changed the appearance of the paper, but it is still paper. This is an example of a physical change. Awesome, right? Let's make a refreshing glass of lemonade. Mix lemon, then sugar and water. Can you guess if it's a physical change or a chemical change? That's correct, this is a physical change because we didn't create anything new. So yummy. Let's mix vinegar and baking soda to see what happens. Can you guess the outcome? Let's find out. Now add food coloring to baking soda. Now add some vinegar. Wow! Did you see the bubble? This is a chemical change because vinegar and baking soda react to create carbon dioxide gas. Now let's make a delicious cake. We're going to mix eggs, sugar, flour, and more to make a delicious cake. Pay close attention to the changes as we mix and bake. The mixture transforms into a fluffy cake through chemical changes. The heat causes the ingredients to react and create a whole new tasty treat. Yummy! Remember, science is all around us, waiting to be discovered. We've had so much fun exploring physical changes and chemical changes. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Wait, don't forget to subscribe.